Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Saturday, October 14th of 2023, and we are back for yet another stream. Apparently it's eclipse time, which I had no idea, but it's cloudy here, so I can't watch it anyway. Hooray! Plan for today's stream is I have an update to my regex bindings that Babby uses, so we're gonna pull that in. And then we're going to work more on the tesseract-ocr bindings. Basically just want to get minimum thing that works. And then go from there. But yeah, let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. Looks like Beldothus was first. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Stonkfish is also here, says not fist. It's true. Or first, yeah. Rabbit Aaron, welcome to the stream. Outdated version says, welcome to the Eclipse watch party. Yeah. I'm not going to be able to watch it. And it's Osgar says, Anthony writes code. Yeah. It's Osgar. JGMC, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Drunk Time Lord is also here. As is James Boyan, welcome back. It's been a bit. Strange Sorcerer is also here. Also been a bit for you as well. Welcome back. Exonity, how's it going? Noodle's got whiskey in his belly. Whiskey belly noodle. Anyway, yeah, so the first thing is I got a little notification. Well, I guess we should do open source since last time. I feel like I haven't talked about this in a while, and I don't know that I've actually done anything. We made this PR on stream. Oramus is here, lurking. Nice, nice. Oh yeah. Fixed a few little things. Oh, I did this after stream, yeah. So we finished up this package last stream. But I realized that I wrote a bunch of Windows code and then didn't bother testing it on Windows. So I set it up to test Windows. Hooray! This is also needed in 3.12 for dumb reasons. The tests need it. I don't think it actually needs it, but outdated version says we also have a case of the cloud coverage. I just got excited that someone else may see it. Yeah. Well, hopefully somebody sees it. Standard Robots here. Hello, hello. How you doing? Fuck it, we write. Indeed. Thank you for the bits. Appreciate it. TTS lady is so excited. Fuck it, we write. I noticed that I made a PR to this repo, or no, maybe it was auto updog day. Probably updog day. I looked at a PR to this and I was like, weird, why isn't it running tests? And it's because they were only set up for Travis CI. So I updated them. Yeah. There was a report on PyCode style that a particular F string which has a keyword in it was reported as a problem. And indeed it was, and pretty easy to fix though. So I went ahead and did that. Basically just need to check that it's not an F string part. So make sure that it's a name token. Basically every token that compares against a string needs to make sure that it's the right type. So this call here needed to be guarded. Pretty easy fix, pretty easy test, and I think I actually made a release because it was the only bug on top of 2.11, so I might as well send it out. But that says I've been reading about query engines and databases, and I'm working on building one. Oh. Is a database generally considered a library or an application or something else? Well, typically you'll have the database itself, which is an application, and then you'll have libraries to interface with. So it's sort of yes, both. Orbit says, I had some people put in PRs to a project of mine, and it's kind of exciting. Nice. Nice, nice. But yeah, did that. The other thing that happened is I made a release of Brigamed. Not for any particular reason. Just, it had been a while. So I guess I should put that into... What actually changed? Should I upgrade Brigamed CI? Well, that was weird. Did you see a box show up right here? Maybe it was a monitor glitch. Oh, it did it again. Did you see it? What the fuck? You can see it too? It's not just me? What the fuck? Riggs live. Welcome, welcome. Vanstep, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Very weird. Wonder if it's a Chrome bug or if it's in my VM or somewhere else. Grab your cross and start chanting Latin. Yeah. Very weird. It's probably not worth upgrading in Brigamed CI. I could, but I don't need to. Okay, anyway, yeah. So this is the upgrades for the latest Oniguruma. It's pretty easy to update that if I remember how it works. And I'm gonna need this library anyway because we're gonna be basing the Tesseract one on the same structure. The other news I have is that I've signed up for my first hackathon. Oh. What are you gonna build? I think that's all I need to change. Mercy Gaming. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, it looks like that's all I changed. This upgrade Oniguruma to 6.9.9. Nice. Mixlive says, what are you building? Botnet? Oh, does it not know that one? I'm surprised that it doesn't know that one. Building. What are you building? Ta-da! Oh yeah. I think so. What are you building? No one's asked yet, so don't spoil it. Alright, you can try it again, Riggs Live. But we're gonna do this real quick, just because it is easy to do. Oops. Ta-da! Look at how smart the bot is. It knows. It knows. Crystal Coda says, have you been doing it long? You can just ask somebody that? Trevor says, is it bad to auto set upstream? What's upstream? Kylondo, hello, hello, how you doing? Welcome back. Not much, how about you? Hey. Anthony help build the Python temple? What's that? Git config global push.auto setup remote true. Yeah, I don't know what that does. I don't do that though. I just get push origin head and then that does the thing that I want. So yeah, forever. Mr. Python. Yep. Yeah, I seem to remember these take a while. Oh, it did it again. Okay, it's Chrome Is it when I open a new tab? No. Oh, it is when I open a new tab. That's really annoying. But not always. Only sometimes. Very strange. It's haunted. Computer's haunted. So I don't have to do get branch, set upstream, my branch, origin / my branch. Oh, but you shouldn't do that anyway. You should track origin main. Otherwise you have kind of useless output. Gamer Red, hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Oh, it has built the library. We're gonna have to figure out how to build Tesseract on Windows. And I don't know that anyone's figured that out easily, so. Oh, that's really annoying. That flashing is really annoying. I wonder if it's Chrome. If it's Chrome, I'll just switch to a different browser. Although I have Chrome open in a whole bunch of other places. My screen keeps flashing. The whole screen. Yeah. Really obnoxious. I don't know why it's happening. Just got done messing with Python. I'm learning it still. Oh, you're done? You finished all of Python? How'd you go about building your own chatbot? You can actually read the code here. It started as just like a synchronous in-process simple socket read. Because the IRC protocol is not that complicated. Oh my god, that's driving me nuts. Yeah, it's pretty simple socket stuff, and then I've added, yeah, this is the basics of the network protocol. This is the bytes that you send to the IRC server. Well, it's not actually IRC, but it's basically IRC. And yeah, from there it's not too bad. The script I was making finished. Oh, nice. I remember when I had just finished messing with Python. It was a good time. Yeah. Yeah. It works. Well, we'll see if it continues being flashy. I wonder what it like. Is it flashing just blank or is it flashing something else? What's await? Is that like a blacking call? It's really hard to describe exactly what await does, but the long and short of it is it's event loop management, and it gives the event loop a chance to do other tasks for async IO. It doesn't always do a context switch because sometimes there can be eager awaits, but yeah, it's basically how it works. Puts current test to sleep until the result comes. Yeah, you can think of it that way. Bandoxer, hello, how you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm actually going to be making this one way more efficient because yeah, it's done 42,000 resets and hasn't, or 42,000 encounters and has not gotten the one that I want yet. But I'm gonna be figuring out how to do the touch screen for the 3DS. This one's the 3DS. This is the one that's being displayed. Oh god, stop it. Stop. This is the one being displayed. This is the one that's not being displayed, but it's also running. And then just go with the, you tell it the CurseForge mod you want. It finds the newest patch and downloads the newest version. Oh, that's pretty useful. I feel like finding mods for Minecraft is always a... I assume you're talking about Minecraft. Does CurseForge do other stuff? I've only used it for Minecraft. Okay. Merge. And then... what is the last 1.2.0? Okay. Why does it say this? What did this patch do? Can't spell. Oh, I changed the wheel builder. I see. Yeah. They made it simpler. Okay, but I think I can do bump minor. Get that going. Once 3.13 comes out, might write a wrapper for threading to get more easily get return values from threads and auto-release locks on exceptions. I mean, can't you just use the lock context manager? Isn't that what it does? Pypi token. Oh, I have two. I have a new Pypi token because we're gonna be making like 60 packages today, and I don't want them in my primary account. So, does it only do with Chrome? I think it does. I think it might be a Chrome. So yeah, we'll probably use Firefox if it keeps happening. But okay, cool. Now we got to build all the wheels for this. Bin. Let's see if the script still works. What is your script contents? Oh, well, we definitely don't build for 3.8 anymore. I don't know. What's the image? Oops. I don't know what pypis are in here. The thread dies. I believe it doesn't release the lock. You would use the context manager inside the thread, right? So it should release it. Opt Python pypi. Oh, it only has pypi 3.8. Okay. It also only has 3.10. Oh, it's probably because this image is deprecated. So we'll do 2014 then. Which I think is also deprecated, but slightly less so. Maybe still updated. Can threads be abruptly killed, Drunk Time Lord? I don't know if that's a thing. I feel like it might be. What is anaconda post.log? Oh god. Sys via init tools? What? Weird. Okay, this has pypi 3.9 and Python 3.12. I feel like this is also out of date too. Oh, it has pypi 3.10 also. Yeah. So we'll do that. 3.9. 3.10. I don't release this very often, so it does not surprise that we have to update this a few extra times. All right. Let's try that. Then build version. I lost context. I'll come back with a test script someday. Fair enough. Okay, hopefully this build doesn't lag these too much. It's gonna lag stream too, so I'm gonna do this. Save all the pixels. Okay, this is the build part. As long as it's not at the actual encounter part, it shouldn't matter. Oh. I spoke too soon. Oh. Opt Python CP. Oh, there's no M. There's no M. Yeah, that died in 3.8. Okay, it's not at the part where it's performance sensitive, so we can do that. Oh, I'm gonna have to also build this on my mini ARM64. Is that what the host name is called? Oh, that took a while. Interesting. Oh, hey. Yay, it's building the wheels. Oniguruma CFFI. Can I clone? Oh, right. And I've not set up my input RC. Sweet. Oh, I bet these ones are done too, so we can download them. Yes. Where's the file? I probably need the tag build. I need to write a script to do this. How is this so small? That doesn't seem right. Crowns DE, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That doesn't seem right at all. But we'll see. Apparently it's called Wheels 2. Yeah. EVMs? Yeah, this is the right place. There. I guess these are just pretty small. I'm surprised. Yeah, lib onig5.dylib. Right to me. Yeah, uploads go burr. Token. Pypi was having a lot of trouble earlier today. I was trying to create an account for what we're gonna do later on stream, and it kept crashing. And I looked at the status page and it was like all green, and then there's a hockey stick of current errors. So not necessarily all green. Failed to connect to GitHub. That's a different one. Fantu Fitu. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Alright, bin. Where are you? Bin clone this. Oh. This is what we need to do. Solomon, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Does this just do make install? Sudo make install, sudo ld config. I don't think we're gonna be doing that. Don't think we're gonna be doing that. Autogen? I don't have brew. Yeah, I'll just leave iron for another day. No, I should really do it. Ugh, I'll set up brew. Brew setup. Oh, maybe I do. Maybe I do, but I just didn't put it on the path. I think it's probably just not on the path. Oh, it is. Yeah. Brew, install auto tools. Autoconf? Is that what it's called? There we go. Path equals opt. Home homebrew bin. AC local. I don't remember how to build this. Autoconf automake libtool. Oh, apparently we also need this on our path. Does anyone know the right input RC thing to make these characters work? Control left and control right. Extra credit homework says I don't know what's happening. I am building a thing for ARM64 on macOS. To configure prefix equals PWID prefix. Yeah, I'm basically releasing a library that that is a pain in the ass to build. Oh, that builds fast. Make install. Okay. Oh, I should have prefix lib onig5.dylib. Look at that. Okay, so then I should be able to bin ctx with prefix. Do I have Python 3.8 somewhere? I do not. Ah. In the Greg Pythons. Yeah, these. Let's grab me a Python 3.8. 310, 311, 312, 38. 38. ARch64, Apple, Darwin. Oh god, which of these do I want? I don't really care. What's the smallest one? This one? tar-xf. What the fuck? What? Why did that output nothing and do nothing? because it's an empty tar. Oh, I know why. Because I need to put location, otherwise it does not follow it. There we go. And I can do this. Hooray! Now we have Python. Hello? Oh, I hate Zeesh. Why is the tab complete terrible? No. How do I accept the fuck, where's the there we go. So this is what I want. Alright, bin ctx quid this prefix this dash m pip wheel dot no deps. Oh, y slash. That should work. Okay, so now we have the wheel, then we need to repair it. Install. What the fuck was the path? Why install bin? Oh, there we go. Mustax says, how are you doing? I am doing fine. I am warbling around on macOS at the moment. Delocate. That's the tool that I want. And then delocate wheel. Is it not this wheel here? Oh, there we go. Yeah. And then I think it does it in place. Yep. Sweet. And then I can SCP. This was such a pain in the ass. Mini arms 6 temp Y. And then we can put it on pypi. Oh boy. I probably should have made sure it worked, but yeah. Sweet. Okay, so let's make sure that I got all the same wheels that I had uploaded last time, so I'm at least being as good as last time. Alright. Here we had macOS, Linux, and both Windows. Oh, both macOS, both Windows, and Linux. And now we have both macOS, Linux, and both Windows. Cool. And then we had a few pypis, and we have a few pypis. Cool. Alright, so that's out of the way. we've uploaded a CFFI wheel for Oniguruma Regix engine. DDLs, hello, how you doing? Okay, the next thing that I want to do is generate a bunch of packages. Oh wait, we actually made a diff here, didn't we? Mini Linux 2014. Upgrade to Mini Linux 2014. Screaming internally. Oh no. Why? What's the screaming for? game is this? Is this more Australia game? Don't scream in chat. You're trying to test React? Oh, you ready for it to be dogshit slow for no goddamn reason? Let me know if you figure out how to make it fast. And maybe we'll hire you at Sentry, because my god, it's terrible. Oh, GitHub Actions! Is the internet just fucked today? What's going on? Hello? Frequency I has been done for several seconds now. Fake. Fake. Hello? Very strange. Very, very strange. Ron, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Doing rack for a pet project. I hate it. No desire to ever fuck with it again, but I want to at least get to 100% branch coverage. Oh. Yeah, that's gonna be tricky. But now that says I wrote a bit of React recently, well, more Next.js, but I'm too afraid to test it. Where's the fear from? What the fuck, GitHub? Alright, well, we'll leave that PR around. Maybe GitHub will figure it out eventually. This went super fast. Oh, this took a while. Yeah, GitHub's probably having some issues today. This usually takes like 100 milliseconds, 200 milliseconds or something like that. But yeah, it took longer for GitHub to figure out that the branch merged than to actually execute. And the queue was super fast today. Okay, we're switching to Firefox. I'm fucking sick of this. Sick of this shit. We're getting Firefox in here. Because Chrome is blinky for some reason. Well, we'll find out if it's Chrome's fault. We'll find out if it is Chrome's fault. But where's the other one that I wanted? Oh, it finally started. Oh, GitHub figured its shit out. Don't need any of these other tabs. Okay, cool. We're Firefox today. Barely know anything about JS, just copying and pasting components until it works. Yeah, it sounds about right. Oh. Oh. Those numbers are kind of low. But I didn't know that there was a good branch coverage tool in JavaScript. Does it work by injecting stuff? Tired from a long day of gaming. Krisuri Senpai, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Just the Jest defaults? Oh, interesting. I have not done Jest in a while then. Because I remember spending a bunch of work to try and get coverage on JavaScript and being like, well, fuck this noise. Not for me today, apparently. Okay. Tesseract-ocr. So I started on this a while back, and we are going to use that code, but I want to make the data packages first, since those will be important. Yeah. So I'm just gonna make one repo that holds all of them. Mr. East Nuts, welcome back. Hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Actually, let's call this something else. We'll call it this. All right, so basically there's 3 repos on GitHub. And I don't know that I actually care about the big one. There's tessdata, and then there's tessdata fast, and then there's tessdata best. Initial import to GitHub on behalf of Ray, which is always a fun one. But yeah, the plan here is to make a package for each one of these things. SPA_old. Maybe we'll filter out the old ones. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna generate a shit ton of packages, it looks like. Boy. It says when are the crop tops coming out? If I ever come around to making merch, maybe we can have crop tops. Oh, neat. Cool. Woosa, hello though. Yeah, this is gonna make a lot of data. But whatever. PyPI is infinite, right? It's not my problem. Yeah. Okay. These data files only work with tesseract-4 and newer. Okay, based on the sources in that. Cool. Models for legacy as well as the new engine. 8-eyed, 6-winged seraph. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. This data fast the ones packaged for Ubuntu and Debian. I only care about the fast ones, so maybe I'll just build the fast ones. And someone else can make a PR for the rest of them. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Farm out the work to someone else that cares about it. Ghost Mars, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay, what is the best way to make these is probably to clone this repo. Yeah. 88-eyed, 6-winged seraph. Let's hop into chat to see what the Pokemon's about. Oh, this is gonna generate a shit ton of packages. I guess we can just we can just do this. Import subprocess, because we're going to be doing some cloning. Let's not clone. Let's just reuse an existing clone. That will be easier. Yeah. Tesseract OCR / tessdata fast. Seems like ADHD heaven. There's 4 different things moving at the same time. Yeah, you can pay attention to whatever you want to. You could even have more things moving around. I mean, this is the same as the screen though. This one right here, technically. God, this repo's huge. And actually says I've been bit by the NIX equals plus versus action equals append recently. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Usually, if it's an option, like a dash dash, you don't want plus. Although, I can't really fix pre-commit anymore. And it'd be really inconvenient if dash dash files was append. Because it would not be usable with like xargs or anything. But it also means that I can't add any positional arguments to pre-commit run ever. Not that I have any ideas for them, but yeah, just a little oopsie. I don't know how I would do it differently though. I'd probably have to think about it a little bit. Okay, so if we bin make packages 000 test data fast, it does nothing. Cool. So basically want to take everything in here that does not have old and is not OSD, because the OSD will put in a different package. Maybe? Which OSD file is in this one is the other question. We have the 6 years old one. How old is this one? This is the one that I think I want. 5 years old. I think dash dash files being NRs is a good idea for every tool. Yeah, but it really should be like a sub command or something. Cause just means I can't add commands now because of it. Not that I need to, but okay. So the OSD in this is not the new OSD, which is not good. Because you think you want the better one or the newer one there. Unclear. Pre-commit 2 soon? I mean, we're already on pre-commit 3. That would be a backward. Oh boy, we're gonna be making 125 pypi packages approximately. Yeah, this is fine. This is why I made a separate account. Bug. But I kind of also want to make the I kind of also want to make the other one, because if I make the OSD from this one, then I can just depend on the package in my other package, which feels better than it. I should just stick it in there. So everybody says too soon? Too soon for what? Oh. Maybe. Oh my god, this repo is huge. It's not even to the part where it starts downloading. uh. Hmm. Oh, I had another thing that I maybe wanted to do. I'm kind of curious what happens if I do this, and then I'll check pi, shell check pi. Sickle-rick. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Like, can this succeed without a setup.py? I feel like it can. Because it does setup tools and wheel. Yeah. I wonder if someone else has complained about this. Someone else has complained about this. Huh. Ridiculous. Okay, never mind. It works fine. It is purely an error message. Okay, well then. If you have to do, if x in some hard-coded values, do you use a tuple literal or a set literal? I usually use a set literal, however, it does not, well, I usually use a set literal, but it's usually slower. Because unless the people puts it into a frozen set in the code object, I forget whether it does that. I know it didn't used to, so it would build the set, and then building a set's always going to be slower than the containment check of a tuple. So I don't know. I think about it and then go optimize a database query instead, since that's way more important. Oh, they're only a factor different. Okay, we'll build packages for both of them. Okay. Metadata name equals package dash lang version equals version plus get version description tessdata tesseract-ocr trained data this will say test data fast for eng. Long description. There will not be one. Oh, this still says Ryan Ree. Nice. URL. I guess we do have to put the license in all of these. Oh, that's so annoying. Gonna have 100 license files and 100 setup.pys and there's a license for these. I guess I should have checked that. Apache 2.0. I wonder what the do you have this username? You do. Damn it. Oh, has not been setup pi upgraded yet. So I don't know what the little thing is for that. And the fastest way for me to figure it out is to use my own tools to figure it out. I'm still over at Stripe. I haven't been at Stripe in a long time, Spartan Gator. Although you may be confusing it for Sentry, which is the easy. They're both S names. Why did it not figure out the license identification? Because that is not an Apache 2 license. This is missing most of the license text. Interesting. What happens if we grab this file here? Yes, Tina? Do whatever you want, yeah. Okay, this is what I need. Not gonna bother with classifiers. Options. Python requires 3.8. And then have to do the actual shell check or setup tools download part. Oh, right. We have to do setup requires equals setup tools download. And setup tools download. Download. It's package data. Oops. Oh, I didn't actually do the right one here. Read my own docs again. Send tripe, yeah. It's patchy 2 license, yeah. Looks like they aren't remote friendly. I feel like the careers page is a little misleading here, and internally it's gone back and forth on whether remote is good or bad. I'm remote, so that tells you, I guess, it's supposed to be remote friendly. But is my team hiring? I will be at some point because we just lost a team member. Yeah. Okay, share test data file name. Oh. Problem. How do we get the URL? Yes, it would be a senior software engineer. Hire me Anthonk first, says Baldathis. Yeah. How do we get the URL? Python focused or more polyglot? We certainly write most of our stuff in Python, but we support a bunch of different other programming languages as well. Python is definitely the primary one that we work with, though. Fuck, what am I supposed to do here? We'll just use, yeah, GitHub. Y and then refresh and then copy link. Okay. /raw / get version / file name. Yeah, okay, so I think we can generate those. Getting that hiring EM chat out of the way? Yeah. Get your own personal one. Okay. Easter equals all stop path dot join packages args dot oh, let's see, repo base name dot path dot base name args dot clone. Right, am I forgetting how this works? Repo base name, we got one of the things. For fname in os.lister clone if fname dot starts with if fname dot ends with old dot train data or not. This song is looping. It ends with old, oops, or it's not a file, or it's not train data. Continue. Mad Cat says, do you need any data scientists? Not on my team. Togibook says, hey, they just want to say hi. I discovered your Anthony Explains series, which really helped me step up in Python knowledge. Glad you enjoy it. And welcome to the stream. The Watcher, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Easter. Ooh. That's not path dot split x. Oh, I guess we can do we'll do them in this order because that ever so slightly. Outdoor equals f package dash lang norm. Yeah. Do I need any French? I'm not hiring. I'm not doing hiring, so don't ask me. I can't help you. Blaze Labs says, is anyone else coding right now? What's chat working on? What am I trying to do? I'm trying to generate 100 packages that contain trained data for a OCR model. So that I can pip install languages instead of having to deal with the operating system. Okay, I think that looks maybe correct. We need to get the rest of this data though. We have file name, we have repo base name, we don't have get version, we do need subprocess. We have subprocess. Get version subprocess dot check output. Get rev parse. Text equals true. Rip. Bet this fits? No. Get rev parse head. Is there a short? Okay, we have package, we have lang. Just do this because we actually don't care about the not normalized name. File name, repo base name, get version, file name. We just need SHA-256. With open full file name. Hashlib SHA-256 read.hexdigest. Right. Set up CFG format dot format. Where's that package? Git version. Lang equals lang. SHA-256 equals SHA-256. I know we need file name, file name. That might be it. I gotta write the other files as well. And then tail.copy. And that should be what we need. Missing os.path. No, path load's slow and annoying, and I don't like it, and I'm never going to use it. And it solves problems that I don't have. My formatter is running. Okay, this should this data fast 0.0.0. This data fast. Code go burr. Yeah. Look at all these packages. Hell, I bet it made the OSD even though I don't want that. Yeah. We'll ignore that one. Nick Flurry, welcome, welcome. Nico Chief says, good evening. Anthony, how's the shiny hunting going? Good. Good. We got 3 in progress right now. Same 3 that were in progress last stream, I think. Place slabs? Oh, I already said hi to you. I already read your message. I just forgot to click. Oop. Okay, these are not right. These should have been a dash. Why did they not make a dash? Oh, because I did the replace in the wrong direction. Silly me. Oh, and I kind of want them in another directory. Easter, why did that go away? What the fuck? What? Why? Is repo base name the empty string? Baster. Outer is baster. Oh, it's because there's a trailing slash. That's annoying. Well, I'm only gonna run this on Linux, so whatever. Yeah. Packages tested. There we go. That's the what that I wanted. Nice. Okay. I need to fill up my water. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. I was thinking about it a little bit more, and I'm gonna try and put a README in here. But I'm just gonna make it whatever the root repo README is. And see if symlinks work. Oh, I guess I can just try with one of them. So if we move this license, let's try with the license file first. Ismo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. DDoS was heading out. You're probably gone by now, but have a good lunch. You're welcome. I'm glad that you are happy that you're glad that. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recursion. Tessdata pypi bin Python build. It's going to work. Ah, if you would have spelled it. Which distro is this? Or which OS is this? Wait, the bot dead? What? Oh, what distro is this? There we go. Yeah, it doesn't know the word witch. The word witch isn't real. The word witch can't hurt you. It looks like the license in there is in there. Oh boy. That. Oh, the package name should actually be normalized to underscore. Non-native? No, your English is fine. It's just that the bot doesn't understand. Hooray! Okay, so that still works. So you can make that a symlink. So let's do that. Where's that clone? License to paster. And then down here we can do os.symlink ./license to here. No such file or directory. That is correct. Is a directory. Oh. This one that does what I want? Yeah. Looked it up on Bard. Tesseract is a C library for image recognition. CFI is library for calling C function. What is this? Enable versus existing libraries like CV. CV doesn't have optical character recognition, basically extracting text from images. It is something that you usually want to do with CV though. There are other libraries for this, but I want to package the data so that it doesn't require me to install system packages. So that's what I'm doing right now. So this generates a license file, and then that points to that license file. Okay, cool. So the next thing that I want to do is add a reamd version description long description equals file readme.md. And this is long, so we're gonna copy paste that, and we're going to symlink two directories up. It's 3 directories up. We'll try it and see what happens. After readme.md, oh fuck. This actually needs to get generated too, because they're gonna come from different repos. So having to worry about cross-platform. I'm doing the hard cross-platform parts, yeah. By system packages, I mean like you need to download a bunch of shit on Windows or on Linux or on Mac OS, and having to figure that out, it's a pain in the butt. And upgrading them and managing the versions of them. So I'm just making it very, very easy to manage the versions of them. Readme template. API packaged trade data for Aurafile Live. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. For tesseract-ocr. Maybe I don't need to put more than that. Place Labs, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Doing God's work, yeah. I'm suffering so someone else doesn't have to. You know what, we're gonna go with the original one, yeah. Tessdata fast varieties come from Dingchop says, is Tesseract the Library of Congress, OCR, some university or something? I think I recall reading with it to read non-text PDFs. I think it originally came out of Google. I don't know though. I want to say it's a Google project, but it's a really, really old one. Yeah. Let's see what this does. Now, we should have the readme not changed. We have packages, test data fast. Let's see what's in the English one. And the readme loads correctly. Sick. Okay. So in theory that's working, and if we We do test data instead. This should take a little bit longer because the files are a little bit bigger. The 3 megabytes of just pypi metadata. But we should end up with a bunch of packages here as well. Okay, so I also want to exclude the OSD from the fast one. Or file name equals osd.train data and repo base name data fast. I mean, I guess I could package this just like no one should use it. I think I'll just include this file with the actual library, so we'll skip the OSD file. Although then it wouldn't be usable with anyone else's stuff. Yeah, we'll just package them all. I'll just make it a dependency of my other library. Yeah, that'll be the easiest. Okay, this is probably fine. Yeah, I guess we just generate these packages and then build them and then upload them. Building them is gonna take forever. But that's okay. Oh, also let me just make sure they look right. You know what? I can probably get rid of these 2 arguments. Oh, and these have to be underscored anyway. So yeah, I don't even do this normalization at all. Maybe we do. Yeah. So we don't use. Oh, we want this. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we don't need you anymore. Uh. Okay, so we have to do norm. I like that. Oh, right, and we were gonna get rid of the other argument. Okay, so we should still have the same layout. And wow, we got a Shaw that was entirely numbers. Neat. Data fast eng. Yes, Tina? Do you have foods? Foods? For little old me? Oh, the new bowls. Do you like the new bowls? I mean, they're an oven dish. This is so much food. What are the new? I have pasta in a new bowl. Share food. Yeah, let me send it through the screen real quick. Yum. Foster says, "Are you working on Tesseract?" I am. I am indeed. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you again. I'm trying to package the data files so that they're easier to get working. Yeah, that's the plan. But right now I'm eating because I have food. Bank Shop says submitting a PR for that pasta. It's pretty good. I'm usually not a fan of carrots and pasta, but they work here. Oh, also Blaze Labs, thank you for the follow. I missed that. My bad. I used Tesseract Google Vision plugin to OCR my professor's notes last year. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm using it to do text recognition in the Pokemon game. And it's really slow right now because I'm using a sub-process, and I'm hoping it's a lot faster in process. I actually haven't proven that out, so I might be doing weeks of work for no reason, but I don't know, it'll be fun either way. And it'll be easier to get set up and running. Because I was going to try and run it on, I was running on a computers to run scripts on, so I was going to run it on my Mac Mini, which I usually only use for building packages. But I got to the step where I was like, oh, I need to set up Tesseract now. Fuck that. We're not doing this. Which is why there's actually 2 of them running on this computer. But right now, the OCR lags a lot. So, that's why we're doing this. We're doing data science for the math department of the university. So far, I found out that someone did the entrance assessment on a smart TV. What a Chad. That's kind of nuts. I mean, maybe that was their only internet-connected device. Welcome back, Standard Robot. Hello, hello. Don't mind me just eating for a bit. As 100 of you watch me eat. Crazy. Look, we're still ready. Yeah. I think I'm actually to the point where I'm happy with what exists. And I'm gonna just send it at pypi and see what happens. Surely pypi won't ban me for uploading 250 packages? Like 3 gigs and 250 packages? That's why I'm doing it on a second account. Surely they won't ban my main account. I don't know, it's smaller than like the Torch upload, so surely it's fine. PlaySlab says, eating pasta while coding in AC air conditioning on a Saturday morning. I actually have the heat on. PyPI file system proof of concept. Basically. Pokemon playing in the background, do you play Smash? I'm not very good at Smash. So to be safe for myself, I'm gonna say no. I will casually throw around a Pikachu or two, but yeah, I wouldn't say I actually play Pokemon or play. I wouldn't say I play Smash. I used to play a ton of Brawl with my housemates in college, but Brawl is, from a competitive standpoint, the worst game in the series. So even that, I don't really say I play Smash. So hello, hello, hello. Good to see you again. All right, I'm gonna take a break from eating. Write the little script to build the actual packages. Since that's gonna take a while. I respect that. Favorite Switch game? I mean, it was still a fun game, despite tripping and the other RNG bullshit, but... Also, was that the first game with Final Smashes? Which people love-hated? Actually, I feel like I can just do this with Bash. Packages / star / star. I'll just do it fine. Find packages. Max depth to type D. I think I also have to say min depth too. Yeah. And then xargs. CD and Python build. Have an outdoor, yeah. Outdoor dist. Yeah, that looks like it's gonna do the right thing. Do. That went too fast. Why did it go so fast? Python command not found. That would be why it went so fast. Okay, this looks more like the speed that I expect. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. Holy fuck, it hasn't even done one yet. Oh my god. Okay, we gotta find a faster way to do this. Because I'm not about to sit here for hours building these. Maybe we just run setup.py directly. Even though it's deprecated. Um, hmm. How do I figure out where it goes? Distder. Distder. Maybe this will be faster? Oh yeah. Way faster. Is it working? Who knows? No, it is not working. Um, Distder not recognized. Oh, dude. Ah, the S-dist isn't going there. Oh, probably because I have to do this? Yeah, there we go. That's what I want. Okay, so then we can send you to dev null. And that will build the packages. How bad? But I want to do it without just the first 5. Okay, that'll build all the packages. What is this different workspaces on the screen? Nothing is different. It's just so I can have 2 windows at once. Same computer. Just lets me multitask a little bit. Why is this one taking longer? Fast DZO. DZO. My file's tiny. Great. Maybe I'm getting rate limited? Unclear. Hey, what's up, EasyLit? Exonity says, why is it so much faster? Because build makes isolated virtual items for everything, and making an isolated virtual item takes a while. How you doing, EasyLit? Jormundur, welcome to the stream. Oops, missed the pipe character. What are you doing? Bad password. Read 3. Rock this FD 3. It's reading from a socket. So it is having trouble downloading. I wonder if it's gonna be faster to just make make the S-dists and wheels by hand. Basically skipping setup tools. Because then we wouldn't have to re-download anything. It'd be a bit of a hack, but it would work. Let's make one of them and see what they look like. And then see how hard it would be to make our own. Hey. License package info, reamd. And the setup files. I wonder if that top level .text is empty. Okay. So it added this little egg info at the bottom. License should be the same. Setup.py is the same. reamd should be the same. Sources.txt should be all of the files. Top level empty. Dependency links empty. Package info. Why didn't the setup requires end up in here? And then package info, which is slightly different. Yeah, I'm surprised I don't see this anywhere. Like, I wonder if I have the wrong key in there. That seems to have built it properly, so. Oops. Nimeni, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, this is annoying. What do I do? Wilson Jones, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. It's so annoying. I don't know. I'll have to think about this. But for now, I'm just gonna build the ones that I need and install them locally, and I'll figure out how to do the wheel part later. Yeah, so like this is the slow part of build. So we'll build these two packages, and did I say hi to Wilson J. Holmes? If not, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. If I did, well then you get two hello hellos. Damn it. Oh god, there's all sorts of garbage in here. British gamer tech guy, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. This looks better. Oh wait, we got more eggs. Oh wait, no, that's the other one. I wonder if I can ignore the packages output. Because it should, in theory, all be generated consistently. Wait, why is it? Okay, that makes more sense. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. That's for me to figure out later. Although I'm slowly losing motivation for this project, which is unfortunate because I feel like I'm very close. Okay. Is it just me or did Visual Studio auto-install the Epic Games launcher? That doesn't sound right. Although maybe you needed like some SDK and it pulled it in. Hi, Bunny. Hello, hello. Digital Tech Woman, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. All right. Okay, we can get rid of the old code now. And I need to build tesseract. We get to figure out how to build it. Install.git. Let's get a tagged version as well. Sudo says layoffs hit this week. Tough market for software engineers right now. Any tips on get a role in the current job market? No idea, because I'm not doing that at the moment, so I don't know. Gen first. Configure. This should fail. I'm pretty sure I'm missing a library or two. Yeah. Sudo apt install libleptonica-dev. Add password. Go burr. Java. Libleptonica is the name, yeah. So it's certainly a one. I'm only running J2 because I don't want to fuck up the timing of these by stealing all the cores. But oh boy, is this taking a while. Maybe it should have been J3. How's everyone's day going? Well, we just sit here and watch a compiler compile and zone out. I wonder for these package datas if I just package the ones that I need and not every single one of them. Just like an allow list of them. Oh! Did it fuck up? Or did it become shiny? Yeah, that's not shiny. It's fucked up because of this. God damn it. God damn it. Well, that resilient is not shiny. What was the timing that it thought was shiny? 2.158. Yeah, that's twice as long as it should have been. It must have missed the inner dialogue. Anyway. What other code streamers do you watch? I rarely have time to watch streams anymore. But if you look on my channel page, there's a few recommendations there. I am amazed how long this is taking because I feel like I built it on my laptop and it took like 15 seconds. But I also threw 16 cores at it, so that's probably a difference. Hopefully this one doesn't lag out in the same way, but it may. I think it's building the training tool, which I don't care about, but I don't know how to turn it off. I think this is probably a configure option. Disable feature, enable feature. Doesn't seem like there's much to disable or enable other than the legacy. Whatever OpenMP is. Graphics. Disable float and enable double for LSTM. Well, rogues. Oh. Oh shit, I have a party to go to. Probably gonna have to cut stream short anyway. Oh god, it's only been a 2-hour stream. That's fine. That's fine. Well, I'm gonna at least wait for this to build and then see if my CFI stuff builds. The cool thing about CFI, if you've never worked with it before, is you basically just have to paste a bunch of function prototypes from the library into this file, and then they are magically available in Python. So you could just call that. And there's special helpers to do garbage collection. So like the C API has like a create and delete for your malloc and free equivalent. And Yeah, he basically can use use Python stuff, which is kind of nice. And that's kind of the whole goal here, is to make this easily available. Tayor the Great, welcome to the stream. Hello. We are literally building libtesseract right now. Oh, why does it take so long? It's such a big project. Old project too. Tayor the Great, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Tayor is an interesting name. I initially thought it was Taylor, but I read it wrong. What does it do? It is an optical character recognition library. It takes images of text and turns them into text. I am using it to play Pokemon currently. Oh, did it switch again? No? Okay. Yeah, so currently it's using this library, but in a slow way through subprocess to read the text on the Pokemon game that's being played automatically down there. This is the script that's playing that game, but I want to make it faster, so that's why I'm trying to build a binding that will go faster. Although maybe I should just give up and use this one, which is already on pypi. Yeah, because this might already do what I want it to do. It does have a lot of... Curious what version they ship, though. Nope, not an emulator. It is a real game. I am interfacing with it by a microcontroller. This is the one for the Switch. Basically, small, usually used in keyboards. This hooks up to the computer, this hooks up to the Switch, and I can send instructions through here, and it pretends to be a wired Pro controller, effectively. Then I have one for the 3DS, where I have soldered a bunch of wires to test points on the 3DS, and I can control the buttons. Soon I'm going to make it so I can control the touchscreen. Bad USB style? Yeah, this is USB micro. Although, the latest ones that I've been doing are USB-C, so at least I'll have nice USB-C stuff instead of micro. Or I had minis for a while, which were actual garbage. This is for a GameCube controller, and I've wired it to the reset button in the Wii. I use this to play Pokemon Coliseum. But yeah, I'm actually going to be upgrading this probably later today so that I can control the touchscreen. Because this has taken too many resets, and I would like it to go faster. Okay, so it does bundle libleptonica and libtesseract. Yeah, I might just use this library instead. Oh, it bundles libpg. It's a spooky one. Upgrade it during the live? Probably not, because I gotta go to a party. In fact, I think Tina's pinging me. Nope, she's pinging me about. But I already did. Actually, I'll go get the little controller board. And show you what I did yesterday, because I did a bunch of like prep work for it so that I would be ready when I had a chunk of time to solder it. So I'm gonna go show you what chips I played with yesterday. I actually did a bunch of cool stuff, so I'll show you. All right, so excuse my wiring on this because it's a little bit sloppy because I was just trying to prototype and not really get it completely working well, so you could see. Yeah, so this is another Pro Micro down over here. And these are two DACs, digital to analog converters. Basically, I need to very accurately control voltage output to simulate a touchscreen, and so I am using two of those. They are what's called I2C, which is a communication bus. And yeah, so basically yesterday I wrote code for this guy down here to control both of those DACs, and then played around with the multimeter. In the process of doing so, I built a binary that was too big because I forgot to turn on link time optimization, so binary was huge. And this guy right here, I flashed the too large firmware onto this, and it overwrote the bootloader. And so I had a dead microcontroller. And initially I had thrown it away because I was like, damn, I ruined this. I have no way of recovering it. I don't even know how I would start about recovering it. And then I thought about it a little bit. Basically, when you overwrite the firmware, then the USB stack, which is the USB port there, the USB stack is how the Arduino IDE, or in my case, AVR dude, communicates to this and puts the firmware on there. But when you overwrite the bootloader, there's no USB stack anymore. But then I remembered back to a project I did in college where we had these things called iClickers. It says the Python runs on the computer. There's a C program or C++ program that runs on the actual microcontroller. In college, I worked on a project where we took iClickers, which are like a A through E quiz submission handheld remote thing, and reverse engineered them, took them apart, found out they just have AVR programming pins on the top, flashed custom firmware to them, and did a whole bunch of stuff. But there's no USB port on the iClicker, so you have to interface with the programming pins directly, which comes in this guy here, which is a USB Tiny ISP. I forget what ISP stands for. Standard Programmer something? Interface for programming. Anyway, I remembered that I had this thing from 2010 that I soldered together and assembled to fuck with iClickers. And I was like, wait a minute. I can just program this using the AVR programmer and skip the USB port, and then recover my bricked microcontroller. Diva shit, thank you for the follow. Welcome. And so I basically connected these 6 pins to the right pins on here, and sure enough, I was able to rescue this guy. So now, yeah, I I bricked and unbricked a microcontroller, so I felt pretty good about that. But basically, the reason that I need these DACs is the way a touchscreen works. I got the wrong name. What the fuck is this guy's name? 3DS. Is it Deku? I think it's Deku. Yeah, this guy. This guy did a whole bunch of research into simulating the 3DS. Blah blah blah. I did a similar thing to this. This is what their version looks like. The tricky part is the touchscreen. That's the C stick, whatever. This is the touchscreen. So touchscreens, the way basic ones work, is it's a resistance grid. And so when you push down, it makes a circuit connect, and then it figures out the position of your finger based on the resistance. And so, which adjusts the voltage, and so you essentially get a two-way voltage splitter here. And so if voltage is very high on the Y direction, you know that it's towards the top of the screen. If it's very low, you know, it's towards the bottom of the screen. Same thing for X, or maybe it's the other way around, but yeah, actually, yeah, no, that's what it is. And the way it actually works is there's 4 pins that are output from this, and you have to set the voltage to very precise values and times to write the actual values here. So I'm going to have to simulate these, you know, touch occurs, X is sampled here, Y is sampled here, and I have to basically make voltage happen. And that's how you control a touchscreen. So I'm going to try and figure this out and make that happen, but it's going to be annoying. But hopefully it'll be fine. They did it on a teensy. I'm on a much less powerful board, but hopefully it should work similarly, and I'll be able to wire it similarly. I think they wired it the hard way. I think they wired directly to these 4 pins, but it turns out, I want to say it's one of these pins over here. Also, oh wait, no, there's a cluster of 4. It's these 4 right here. These are the touchscreen pins, which others, and I have figured this out using a multimeter, and someone else has also figured these out using a multimeter. So I'm gonna be able to solder to these pins directly instead of having to try and find these itty bitty pins in here. So that's the plan. Then the 3DS will be able to control the touchscreen. Yeah, but I'm not gonna work on that on stream because it involves a lot of very fiddly bits, and it's really hard to show on camera because I don't have a very good up-down facing camera. Like if I show you, have a thing for it. Yeah. You get all 5 pixels of my keyboard, so not gonna do that. But yeah. Microscope. I think if I mean, this camera is fucking ancient. It's like 15-year-old camera. So I'll probably replace it at some point. Actually, have I shown? I have a better camera that I could replace it with, but it is currently screenshot. In here, yeah. Copy, open. My other camera is currently looking at a 3DS, and so yeah, it's not exactly usable at the moment because then it's in a box. But anyway, that's that. Yeah, I think I've changed my mind on building a CFI thing. I think I'm just gonna reuse this other library, figure out how it works and do it that way, because the important part is actually the data files, and I've done the data file packaging. I'll just figure out a way to upload all those. I'm gonna do that offline because it sounds like a pain in the butt. One downside to this tesseract-ocr, well, there's 2 downsides. It isn't built for Windows. I don't actually care about Windows. And I don't think it does the data directory directly. But I can make a small little library for that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that later because I don't know why, but I suddenly don't feel like streaming. It happens occasionally, but yeah. So that's gonna wrap us up for today. I hope you enjoyed. Let me do my little spiel and we'll find someone to send you off to. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel. And that's youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Alright, I'm in Firefox, so you get to see my terrible recommended. Hello? youtube.com/anthonywritescode, so go subscribe there, watch my videos. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. Oh, YouTube. You can catch the VODs on the 2nd channel too. And it's no longer 2 places. You can only find my stuff on Discord. That's where I announce my streams. Go come hang out. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask questions as well, and then a bunch of other fun social channels. That's gonna wrap us up today. Let's go find someone to rate. You are faster, Baldothus. You beat me.